Oh, thanks. Dear Tim and Moby, where do the scientific names for animals come from? From Esther. Scientists like to organize everything. It helps them understand what they're studying. Today, most biologists recognize 8 main levels of classification, also known as taxa. From least specific to most specific, they are domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. All living organisms are classified into different taxa based on their characteristics. The most general taxon is the domain. Every organism belongs to one of 3 domains: eukarya, bacteria, or archaea. Below that, there are 6 kingdoms: animals, plants, fungi, protists, eubacteria, and archaebacteria. Well, let's take the bottlenose dolphin as an example. If we were to classify this guy, we'd start with his domain. Righto, all eukaryotic organisms, those with complex cells that have a cell nucleus, fall under the domain eukarya. So let's put our friend there to start. He's also in the kingdom Animalia, or animals. Now that's still a big category. All kinds of organisms, from cockroaches to sharks to elephants, fit into the animal kingdom. The next taxon down is the phylum. There are several dozen different phyla in the animal kingdom. Bottlenose dolphins belong to the phylum Chordata, which includes all animals with spinal cords. And their class is Mammalia, or mammal, which includes animals that have hair, breathe air, and feed their young on milk. Right, each taxon down the list includes fewer and fewer distinct organisms, until you get to the bottom level, species. Any 2 organisms that can breed and produce babies that are capable of breeding belong to the same species. Well, like you wouldn't breed a dog and a cat. Scientists generally call organisms by their genus, followed by the specific name or species. For dolphins, that's Tursiops truncatus. This naming system is called binomial nomenclature. It was popularized in the 18th century by Carolus Linnaeus, a Swedish naturalist. Binomial means 2 names in Latin, and nomenclature just means any system for naming stuff. Yeah, names like Tursiops truncatus are a little weird sounding because they're all in Latin and Greek. But it's a useful system because it ensures we know exactly what animal we're talking about. Like, if you just said dolphin, you might mean any one of a bunch of different species. Plus, the word for dolphin is different in different languages, so someone from another country might not know what you're talking about. But Tursiops truncatus is recognized around the world to mean one specific species of dolphin, the bottlenose. Since all genus names are unique, you can figure out an organism's family, order, class, phylum, and kingdom from just the binomial name. Me. Well, I'm a human, obviously. Humans belong to domain Eukarya, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Primates, family Hominidae, genus Homo, and species Sapiens. Homo sapiens is Latin for wise man, by the way.
Huh.